In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Minecraft gift card on your phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Redeeming a Minecraft gift card on your phone is an extremely simple process. To do this properly and make sure that you receive everything included in your gift card, visit the Minecraft.net website through a web browser. So, on a web browser on your phone, go to Minecraft.net. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to scroll up and down to see the latest news, see all the titles, but all you have to do is use this little icon at the top left corner of the screen with the three lines and go into sign in. You will be able to sign into a Microsoft account, and this is very important. You are going to be redeeming the gift card into a specific Microsoft account, and as long as you use the same Microsoft account to access Minecraft on any device, you will have access to the items included in the gift card. So make sure that you sign in with Microsoft or you create a new account. And once you are properly signed in, which I'm not going to do in this video because it contains some personal information, just go back into the menu at the top left and then go into redeem. In this page, you can browse through all of the types of gift cards available for Minecraft. So as you can clearly see, they have full games such as Java and Bedrock. They have Minecraft Legends, Minecraft Realms Plus subscriptions, Creator Series, etc. There are plenty of options to search here. So all that you have to do is find a specific option related to your gift card, and there will be the prompt here to enter the code. So tap this and tap your code. As long as you enter a valid code here and you tap submit while signed into a Microsoft account, it is going to be registered to the Microsoft account that you signed into. Now, because I didn't sign into a Microsoft account, I didn't get the prompt telling me that the subscription or the redemption was successful, but this is all you have to do. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish and you will be able to redeem all of your gift cards in this page. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Minecraft gift card on your phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.